Let me read the question now. Calculate the number of ways to arrange all the letters from the word calculator such that all the vowels must be side by side. Okay, usually when a question is given to us for the permutation, okay, there will be not repeated letters, okay, and then only they'll give us the condition. Okay, but then this question is a bit different because some of the letters over here are being repeated more than one time, plus they gave us the condition over here. So it's going to be a different approach for us to solve this question. So without further ado, let us start to take a look at this question, shall we? Okay, so this calculator word, so we're going to write down here. Okay, so C A L C U L A T O R. So you calculate how many letters that form the word calculator. C A L, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have 10 letters. Okay, so for the next step, so take a look at the condition given by the question. Vowels must be side by side. Okay, vowels must be side by side means, so you need to separate the vowels and the consonants separately, guys. Okay, within the word calculator over here. Okay, so for the next step, what we're going to do is, so we're going to identify how many vowels and how many consonants are there in the word calculator. So we're going to identify the how many vowels and consonants. So from here, so let us start with the vowels, so which I'm going to write down in the left hand side. So from here you have letter A, okay, and then you have letter U, okay, and then you have letter A again, okay, and then you have letter O. Okay, so you have 4 vowels, okay, and over the right hand side, so I'm going to write down the consonants. Okay, anything other than A, E, I, O, U is all consonants, guys. Okay, so I hope you know this. So from here, so let us list down the possible consonants. C, okay, and then you have letter L, okay, and then you have letter C again, okay, you have letter L again, okay, you have letter T, okay, and then you have letter R. Okay, so you have 4 vowels, okay, and then you have 1 2 3 4 5, okay, so you have 6 consonants. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear until now. So to proceed to the next step, so we're going to approach this using 2 cases. Okay, we're going to split this into case 1 and case 2. So case 1 will be such that we are going to treat this vowel as a single letter. Okay, only these vowels. Okay, the rest, the consonant, we're going to count it as separate. So in this case will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we're going to treat the vowel as one single letter. Once we're done with the case 1, then we can proceed with the case 2, where we can form the arrangement within the vowels. As you can see here, the A, U, A, O, you can form the arrangement such that the U can come first, the O can be in the first position, okay, the A can be in the middle position, okay, something like that. You can form an arrangement within themselves. Okay, and this case 2 will be correlate with the case 1. So your final answer will be case 1 times with case 2, because you know why? So as you place the single vowel that we are treating it into the position, okay, between the consonants, they can form the arrangement within themselves. Okay, so I hope you understand now. Okay, so from here, so let us begin with the case 1. So case 1, so case 1, we are treating the vowel as a single letter. Okay, so from here, okay, vowel as single letter. Okay, the rest consonant, okay, is counted as 1 2 3 4 5 6 letters. Okay, since we are counting vowel as a single letter, so you total have 7 letters. Okay, so assuming that, so from here, so for your arrangement, so arrangement, wait on guys, so your number of arrangement So sorry, it's hanging. Is equals to, so you have 1 plus with 6 letters over here, so your total have 7 factorial. Okay, and then you divide with the number of letters that are being repeated. Okay, so from here, as you can see here, since we are treating vowel as single digit, so you ignore the vowel as single letter. Okay, so sorry guys, as I mentioned it as a digit, it should be letter. Okay, so since we are treating this as a single letter, so there is no repetition. Okay, take a look at the consonant over here. So as you can see here, letter C you have repeated for 2 times, so you can write here 2 factorial. Okay, in a bracket. So as you can see here, you have letter L also repeated for 2 times. Okay, times with 2 factorial. Okay, so any other letters are being repeated? No. Okay, so we can proceed to calculate number of arrangement for case 1. So from here, so 7 factorial, so you calculate, you get 5040. So I hope, is it clear? So from here, divide with 2 factorial times with 2 factorial. So from here you get your answer is 1260. Okay, so this is for the case 1 guys. So we still have another case where the vowels will form an arrangement within themselves. Okay, so by the way, I've showed this arrangement in my old videos guys. Okay, so you can take a look at that as the additional reference. Okay, but if you still don't know the understanding of the case 1 and case 2, I'm going to show you the classic way in a while, so please hang tight. Okay, so this is the case 1. Okay, so now we proceed to the case 2. Okay, so case 2. Okay, arrangement within vowels. Okay, so from here we have total of 4 vowels, 1 2 3 4, so you write it over here. Okay, so let us calculate the number of arrangement for case 2. So you have total of 4 vowels, so since you have 4 vowels, you just write here 4 factorial. Okay, and then you apply the calculation for the repeated case. Okay, so you identify here which letters are being repeated. Okay, letter A. So how many times is being repeated? 2 times. So you divide with 2 factorial. Okay, so 4 factorial is 4 by 3 by 2 by 1. Okay, so from here you should get total of 24. So 24. Okay, 2 factorial is technically it's 2, because 2 times 1 is 2 what? So 24 divided by 2. So from here you get your number of arrangement for the case 2 is 12. Okay. So we're done with the case 2. So the overall arrangement, so in this case, so it will be equals to case 1, so I'm addressing as C1 times with C2. Okay, C1 in this case is 1260, so you times with C2 in this case is 12. So 1260 you times with 12, so from here you get your answer is 15,120. 15,120. So let me underline the solution for this question. Before I end this video, if you still don't understand the working till now, don't worry, I'm going to show you the classic method to explain this question. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw a 10 line which representing the word calculator. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so you have the vowels A, U, A, O. Okay, let us write it over here. A, U, A, O. Okay, we are writing like this because the condition emphasizes us to do so, because the vowels must be side by side. Okay, and then only the consonants will come together in the arrangement over here. Okay, so your A, U, A, O can be write in this way. Okay, you have one possibility. You can also write in this way, A, U, A, O. Okay, now it's number 2 ready, followed by A, U, A, O. Okay, this one number 3 ready. Okay, followed by A, U, A, O. Okay, this one 4th. Okay, and then continue with A, U, A, O, 5th. Okay, A, U, A, O, 6th. Okay, and then at last A, U, A, O. We have 7. Okay, so by right now you should know the reason behind the 7 factorial over here. Okay, so this is the classic explanation behind the calculation over here, guys. Okay, and within this A, U, A, O, for instance, you can have A, U, O. Okay, you can have A, O, U, A. Okay, you can have an arrangement within themselves. Okay, okay, so I just double check whether the vowels is correct or not. Okay, so you can have an arrangement themselves, and at the same time this case 2 is relating with the case 1 that I'm showing to you. They are happening together, so that's why you have the overall arrangement of case 1 times with case 2, so you have 15,120. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, make sure that you give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.